Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your sources are clean and consistent. Connect to the actual file or database and bring tables into Tableau. Once connected, scan types and use the data interpreter to correct headers and dates so calculations will work. Make sure to identify primary keys and choose inner or left joins to avoid duplication. Then drag necessary tables into the canvas and preview a few rows to validate joins and types before moving to building views. Once the base is reliable, transform for analysis. Create calculated fields for margins, ratios, or date parts, and build hierarchies to enable drill down. Use level of detail expressions when you need aggregation independent from view granularity. Apply parameters to let users swap metrics dynamically and pivot or union tables to reshape rows and columns. Make extracts for performance, add data source filters early to reduce volume, and confirm calculations, return expected values with sample visual checks. Now assemble sheets and dashboards. Pick charts that match your question and add context like reference lines or percent labels to show significance. Once done, design dashboard layout with clear interaction, filters, highlight actions, and parameter controls so users explore. Make sure tooltips are informative and consistent. Finally, publish to Tableau server or cloud, set permissions and refresh schedules, and test across roles. If visuals or data mismatch, check field aggregations and extract freshness as a first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.